Hello, my dear audience. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hope you are doing great, fit and fine. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm really happy to be here, and thank you so much, my honorable teacher and my cameraman. And today, I to say something about the internet. Everyone know well, internet is most important things for us, because internet, first of all, I define the what is the definition of internet. Internet is a network system connecting worldwide, computer communication and information sharing system. And I think internet is very important for our life. uh, First of all, advantages of disadvantages of internet I share with you. Some advantages I share with you. Internet. First of all, enhanced communication means internet give us super fast and easily provide our network communication with people and other people. And for example, your brother lives in another country, and you stay this our country, and when you need any information, collect any information, and you immediately call your brother, and this information collected immediately from your brother. It's very opportunity for us today. Before internet, this time is not opportunity, and you need to more time to collect information, write a letter this time. So uh, number two, online education system. Online education system, currently, modern world increase day by day, increase online education system. For example, when we are faced the COVID-19, this time all education, physical education is closed down. The authority, our government, this time we are the focus the online education. Everyone a student, read and focus online education, online or website, collect any information and education based learn. So this time is very harmful, was harmful. Number three, banking sector and insurance sector. Um, right now, every banking sector and insurance sector need internet. They are using internet and easily provide the service the people. And another sector, when they are using internet, they are easily collecting money and information, provide information each other, every office, this type. Number four, entertainment sector. When we are boring feel and we need entertainment, that time we are searching Google, YouTube, another website for entertainment. So entertainment is very important for our life, because the every people one day or after they depressed and boring feel. This time we need entertainment. When we take entertainment, we our mind is fresh, so we properly live and live our life. And number five, social networking. Everyone knows about social network. Social networking, many apps have available apps. Social network, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter available. We are on their own opinion share the social network. When we thinking about any topic, that time we are sharing the Facebook status, and share video. And when we are go another place, new places, and we make a video and provide share the YouTube and Facebook. And there are a lot of blogger and creative person that make video for about our nation and international environment to make blog. Okay, well, right time. I would like to say that about disadvantages of internet. Okay, I will like to say that about disadvantages of internet. Firstly, I say you risks. Cybercrime risks and personality security risks when we are using and personally using our internet, and sometimes we face the cybercrime and security risk face is the very harmful for our life. Secondly, we are face the disadvantage addicted of internet. When we are using internet, so we feel very well. This time we are scrolling Facebook and another entertainment platform. That's why we are wasting time available to and into internet. It's very harmful for our life. Okay, thirdly, well, I last option the addiction of games. When we are using internet and addicted to games, some people our society have some student addicted to game. This is the very harmful for our society and dangerous for future. Okay, thank you so very much. It's my opinion. Thank you so much.